doctor has a 7-day-a-week available consultation for your frustration. It's called the American Honky Tonk Bar Association. We represent the mud flap, six-pack, beer crack, overtax flag, waving fun-loving crowd where their heart is in music and they love to play it loud. There's no forms or no applications, there's no red tape administrations. It's the American Honky Tonk Bar Association. Go join your American Honky Tonk Bar Association. Do not delay, contact today your AHBA. Yeah, she's my lady luck, hey, I'm her wild card man. Together we're building up a real hot hand. We live out in the country, hey, she's my little queen of the South. Yeah, we're two of a kind, working on a full house. She wakes me every morning with a smile and a kiss. Her strong country loving is hard to resist. She's my easy loving woman, on her hard working man, no doubt. Yeah, we're two of a kind, working on a full house. Yeah, our pickup truck is her limousine, and her favorite riding dress is her favorite blue jeans. She loves me tender when the going gets tough. Sometimes we fight just so we can make up. Lord, I need that little woman like the crops need a rain. She's my honeycomb and I'm her sugar cane. We really fit together if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're two of a kind, working on a full house. This time I found a key, I made up my mind, Lord, the perfect combination is her heart and mine. The sky's the limit, no hills too steep. We're playing for fun, but we're playing for keeps. So draw the curtain on and turn the lights down low. We'll find some country music on Bay 80 go. I'm yours and you're mine. Hey, that's what it's all about. Why, y'all? Yeah, we're two of a kind, working on a full house. Lord, mama, we'll be two of a kind. I went to work her that summer. Teenage kids so far from home. She was a lonely widow woman, hell-bent to make it on her own. We were 1,000 miles from nowhere, wheat fields as far as I could see, both needing something from each other, not knowing yet what that might be. Till she came to me one evening, hot cup of coffee and a smile, in a dress that I was certain she hadn't worn in quite a while. There was a difference in her laughter, there was a softness in her eyes, and on the air there was a hunger even a boy could recognize. She had a need to feel the thunder, to chase the lightning from the sky, to watch the storm with all rushing it along in the wind out where only dreams have been burning both ends of the night. That summer wind was all around me, nothing between us but the night. When I told her that I'd never, she softly whispered, "That's alright." And then I watched her hands of leather turn to velvet in a tub. There's never been another summer when I have ever learned so much. We had a need to feel the thunder, chasing lightning from the sky, to watch a storm with all its wonder raging in each other's eyes. We had to ride the heat of passion like a comet burning bright, rushing it along in the wind out where only dreams have been burning both ends of the night. Summer, the sweat, the moonlight, and the lace. I have rarely held another when I haven't seen her face. Every time